Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to review Google Forms you have already completed and sent. If you need to revisit a submission to verify your answers, or for any other reason, this guide is for you. It only takes a moment, and soon you will have all the details you need. To start, navigate to Google Drive. Ensure you are signed into the specific Google account used when you originally filled out the form. If necessary, enter your login details to access your Drive. Once there, find the app's grid icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click it to see your available Google applications, then select Google Forms from the list. After opening Google Forms, you will see a list of documents you have interacted with, including those you submitted. Scroll through this list to find the exact form you need. Be sure to verify the title, particularly if you have filled out several similar forms recently. Once you have located and clicked on the form, you will enter the main view. Now, look for the Responses tab, which is usually positioned at the top of the interface. It is quite prominent and easy to find. Click on this tab to see a summary of the data submitted for this form. Depending on the specific settings, you might also be able to view individual responses, allowing you to check your specific entry details. Keep in mind that viewing these responses depends on the permissions set by the form's creator. Some forms might restrict access to individual entries or require the owner's approval. If you cannot see your submission, try contacting the person who created the form for help. That is how you easily check your submitted Google Forms. This is a great way to manage your data and keep track of important records. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.